Hello guys, welcome back to eCraft Geeks. Today I am going to give you an overview of cloud computing. So let's start with what is cloud computing. Cloud computing provides us means of accessing the applications as utilities over the internet. It allows us to create, configure and customize the applications online. Now, what is cloud? The term cloud refers to a network or internet. In other words, we can say that cloud is something which is present at remote location. Cloud can provide services over public and private networks, that is WAN, LAN, or VPN. Applications such as email, web conferencing, customer relationship management, that is CRM, execute on cloud. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to manipulating, configuring, and accessing the hardware and software resources remotely. It offers online data storage infrastructure and application. Cloud computing offers platform independency and as the software is not required to be installed locally on the PC. Hence, the cloud computing is making our business applications mobile and collaborative. Now, let's see the basic concepts of cloud computing. There are certain services and models working behind the scene making the cloud computing feasible and accessible to end users. Following are the working models for cloud computing. First, deployment model, and the second is service model. Now, let's see what are deployment models. Deployment models define the type of access to the cloud. That is, how the cloud is located. Cloud can have any of the four types of access: public, private, hybrid, and community. Now, let's see what are these accesses types. First, public cloud. Public cloud allows systems and services to be easily accessible to the general public. Public cloud may be less secure because of its openness. Second, private cloud. The private cloud allows systems and services to be accessible within an organization. It is more secure because of its private nature. Community cloud. The community cloud allows systems and services to be accessible by a group of organizations. Hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is a mixture of public and private cloud, in which the critical activities are performed using private cloud while the non-critical activities are performed using public cloud. Now, second model is the service model. Cloud computing is based on service models. These are categorized into three basic service models such are infrastructure as a service, second, platform as a service, and third, software as a service. Now, anything as a service is yet another service model which includes network as a service, business as a service, identity as a service, database as a service, or strategy as a service. Now, the infrastructure as a service is the most basic level of service. Each of the service models inherit the security and management mechanism from the underlying model as shown in the following diagram. Infrastructure as a service provides access to fundamental resources such as physical machines, virtual storage, etc. Platform as a service provides the runtime environment for applications, development and deployment tools, etc. Software as a service model allows to use software applications as a service to end users. Now, let's see the history of cloud computing. The concept of cloud computing came into existence in the year 1950 with implementation of mainframe computers accessible via thin, static clients. Since then, cloud computing has been evolved from static clients to dynamic ones and from software to services. Now, cloud computing has numerous advantages. Some of the benefits of cloud computing are listed below. First, one can access applications as utilities over the internet. One can manipulate and configure the applications online at any time. It does not require to install a software to access or manipulate cloud application. Cloud computing offers online development and deployment tools. Programming runtime environment through PaaS model. Cloud resources are available over the network in a manner that provide platform independent access to any type of clients. Cloud computing offers on-demand self-service. The resources can be used without interaction with cloud service provider. Cloud computing is highly cost effective because it operates at high efficiency with optimum utilization. It just requires an internet connection. Cloud computing offers load balancing that makes it more reliable. Although cloud computing is a promising innovation with various benefits in the world of computing, it comes with risks. Some of the risks related to cloud computing are Security and privacy. It is the biggest concern about cloud computing. Since data management and infrastructure management in cloud is provided by third party, it is always a risk to hand over the sensitive information to cloud service providers. Although the cloud computing vendors ensure highly secured password protected accounts, and the sign of a security breach may result in loss of customers and businesses. Second, lock in. It is very difficult for the customers to switch from one cloud service provider to another. It results in dependency on a particular CSP for service. Third, isolation failure. This risk involves the failure of isolation mechanism that separates storage, memory, and routing between the different tenants. Fourth, management interface compromise. In case of public cloud provider, the customer management interfaces are accessible through the internet. Fifth, insecure or incomplete data selection. It is possible that the data requested for detection may not get detected or deleted. It happens because either of the following reasons. Extra copies of data are stored but are not available at the time of deletion. Disk that stores data of multiple tenants is destroyed. And at this point, I hope you all are understood the concept of cloud computing. Thank you.